Our friends at Hunkydory have a brand new picture perfect 8x8 pad. It's a cat's life, and you can see that they're padded up here, and there are going to be 12 different sheets. You're going to get 4 of each one for a total of 48. Let's take a look. As you can see, on each sheet you're going to get multiple images. So if you took that 48 sheets and multiplied it times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you see that you're going to get well over 200 images. This is a Russian blue, which I shared with my granddaughter because this is the kitty she wants next. And here is a Burman. This is a new cat to me. I wasn't familiar with that. It's going to give you a little bit of information about each of the breeds and some more information too. So average litter size, the coat, groom once a week, the color, the weight, the height. So that's kind of nice too. And this is a lucky black cat. Well, and a tuxedo cat. So the tuxedo's right here. The good luck black cat is right there. Just really, really sweet. And we've got a house cat. So this is for all of the other ones, and all the imagery is just charming. This is a rag doll, absolutely darling. Kind of looks like a raccoon with those dark eyes, doesn't it? This is a tortoiseshell, and really pretty. And we have a domestic tabby. So this is also going to take care of all the other breeds. Then we have a British short hair, and we have a Persian kittens and Persian cat, and a blue Persian. Oh, I didn't realize that there were multiple kinds, but I guess there are. Siamese, you can think about the Lady and the Tramp, and Maine Coon. So I think this tends to be a pretty big cat. And then we have kittens at play. So all of these are just absolutely charming, and they will be with us very soon from Hunkydory, and It's a Cat's Life is the name of it.